guys, it's me Stacy of Design and Style with Stacy, and I wanted to just jump on just to give you a face-to-face here. If you are an old subscriber who's been rocking with me from the beginning, I want to thank you so much. I really appreciate all your love and support. And if you're a new subscriber, I want to say welcome to the house. Here we're gonna have fun, and we do have fun. On this channel you're going to get a little bit of everything: home decor, shop with me's, new construction build, tours. I'm going to show you how you can style your home, creating that luxe look without breaking the bank. You're going to get DIYs, which is another way to show you how to elevate your home with accent pieces, along with teaching you how to revamp or how to just refresh your home through painting, through changing simple things like lighting fixtures, again, your paint, through carpet, through flooring, changing out faucets and door handles. So a lot of little tricks and tips that we do to upstyle our homes. They're on a very little budget. And what I mean by we is because not only am I in the medical field, I also do interior design. I am a licensed interior designer. Many did not know that. So, now you do. Basically, that's all I really wanted to tell you guys, and just jump on and just let you put a face to the name, and a face to the voice, rather. But I appreciate you guys, and I just wanted to let you know that. And I look forward to many more awesome videos and many more awesome collaborations and many more awesome chit chats down in the comment section. So please, when you watch a video, it would really help the channel out. It would help me out tremendously if you were to hit the like button, hit the notification button, and that subscribe button. And after you do all that, just drop me a comment down below so we can chit chat about whatever it is you want to chit chat, as long as it's legal and moral. Okay? All right, guys, that's pretty much all I have for you today. I just wanted to jump on just to have a little quick chit chat for you. And I am working on doing a couple of live sessions coming up. I started to do one previously, but I didn't think anyone was going to come on. So you never know unless you try. So if you have any questions for me, we're going to do sort of a Q&A. Let's get to know Stacy so Stacy can get to know you as well. If we're family, we might as well know what we need to know about family, what our interests are, and if there's any questions you have regarding interior design, interior decorating, please feel free to ask me. And if I can help you, I will help you. If you're looking for certain sources because you are in the middle of a project, let me know. I can do my best to point you in the right direction. But with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Peace and love to you always. And as I always tell you, stay woke, stay prayed up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love you always. Peace.